Jesus, walk on the scene, so me know say me can grade miracle.
Yo, Silk Boss, that wanna look, hey, that wanna look normal, you know. Yeah, people don't know the voice of the Grizzly we're representing for Reggae Vibes Media. Out there with another one. Yes, Silk Boss. You know what I mean? Couple months ago, you know, a viral video go out and you see someone that backs up the charges, you see me I say? And then like information come out, say, you know, the man them take away a piece of food when they are save up for buy a one whip. You see me? Yeah, man, same friend and company, you see it? So you have to know the type of people where you accommodate. You see me, I say type of people where they in your circle, cause remember, you know, them same one want near me food, you know. You see me? But Silk Boss, hey, Silk Boss, I have to clear my throat. Repent, hey, may I tell you people, may I tell you not to fly go over YouTube. You know what I mean? When you can look right as a thing, because we can go and say look a preview, you know, where you don't know. You have a flag over YouTube, go pre the thing. Silk Boss now going with the normal movements, the video, the clarity. Where must say, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, come like him find him in a zone, you know. Him find one of them gear there. You see me, I say, yeah, we're going to project him differently, because when I time to me, the people are talking, and I say, yo, Silk Boss can't find no more it, and you know what I mean? Every minute I just one song, and you know, hear back from the artist. But remember, every artist have for them style and for them way how them deliver them music. You see me? But me I tell you that one repent, hey, and me I tell you the man I sing out him soul in man. Soul I sing out, you know. You see me I say, yeah man. I swear to you people, I like the vibration, I like the flavor, I like the energy. Silk Boss, I wanna look like a hit. You know what I mean? Yeah man, the December I look normal. Yes man, the December. You forward into the 23rd. Hey, see 23, I don't know normal, you know. Cause I don't see the artists them a bubble up. But Silk Boss, the one that repent. Yeah, youth. Ready now. Yeah, so people check out the link to the official video in the description, and also a link, you see me I say, to where you can purchase the song, is it? Yeah man, now I really don't know Reggae Vibes Media, and it's your boy Grizzly Bear Vibes. Silk Boss, what? Tell them repent.
Hard life for everybody, so when me make it out, me tell me mommy, say just